दरख्त टूट गए हैं, ये इसकी छत गिरी है और छत गिरने के बाद जो है वो ये यहाँ पे इस गाड़ियों के ऊपर बुरी तरीके से, और ये इसके ब्लॉक्स भी नीचे आए हैं सारे, ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये सारे ब्लॉक्स भी हैं। और ये देखें, आप देख सकते हैं कि सारा का सारा जो है ये छत गिर के गाड़ियों के ऊपर आई है, गाड़ियों का बुरा हाल हो चुका है नाज़रीन। ओह माय गॉड, ये तो वाकई बहुत, और टोर्नेडो गिरा ही आया ही यहीं पर है, थंडर स्टॉर्म जो आया तो वो आया यहाँ पर है। ये देखें साहब क्या हालत हुई है।
This is my house.
This
My house is gone.
Oh my God!
My
Yes,
house
we
is
know.
gone.
I know.
This is our house.
Thanks God, but this is thanks God.
I can't even
no
go
casualty. Thanks God, no casualty. Don't worry, don't worry.
But now we have nowhere
we'll make
to
it
live.
again. We build it again, okay?
You're lucky you have a beard.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, your father have a beard right now. Right.
Look at the police are my favorite.
Yes, I know.
Beautiful house, guys.
Yeah.
Dad, want to know something?
No worry.
That's ugly.
No worry. Thanks God, no
we got-
casualties.
I got my
no worry.
family.
Yes,
I got my
I
family.
know. You got your family. Your
the
kids
tornado,
are okay.
The tornado formed right here, bro.
Yeah.
The tornado
yeah.
formed right here. We watched it from our window.
Oh
form.
my God.
And thank God, like they taught me in grade school. When I was in second grade, they taught me. I was in California, so they taught me about earthquakes. They taught me about tornadoes.
Oh
you
my
go
God.
where there's brick, or
Okay.
you go away from windows. Right away, when I seen it form, I told my daughters, "Hey, downstairs, laundromat, let's go."
Yeah,
laundromat.
yeah.
And we went to the laundromat.
You are lucky.
Away from windows.
Lucky away from the windows.
Away
You are
from
lucky.
windows. And then
But
when we heard it calm down, let me go check. I went and checked in the front door, and I seen all this shit. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh
And
my God! It
that's
was a
why I
tornado.
say the thanks God. The very first words is my no casualties.
Yeah.
Thanks God.
Fuck the TV.
Yeah.
Fuck the comfy bed.
Exactly,
Fuck all that.
exactly.
Fuck everything. Fuck
Yeah.
everything.
Thanks God. Thanks
I got
God.
my family. I got my family.
Yes. That's a great thing that your family is okay.
That's my fucking bedroom right there.
Yes,
And if it
I
wasn't-
know.
If it wasn't for Father's Day,
Yeah.
we were out celebrating Father's Day at her brother's house.
Oh.
If it wasn't for that, we'd be sleeping right there.
Yes.
We'd be sleeping
my
right there
God.
right now.
Yes. Thanks God. You are lucky.
We came home and like, oh, thank God we beat the rain. You know, we
Oh,
didn't have to
yup.
come out the car in the rain. Like, thank God we beat that. And then we see the rain coming hard,
Yeah.
and then we see the tree going back and forth.
Oh my
And then we see the
God.
tornado forming. Like, no, downstairs, let's go.
Thanks God. You are lucky that the no casualties.
Yeah.
Thanks God.
Thank God.
Everything is.
Thank
Your
God. Fuck
family is with
everything.
you.
Fuck everything.
Your
We could buy
family is
another
with
bed.
you.
Yeah.
We could buy another TV. We could buy everything.
Yeah.
I got my kids. I got my wife.
Thank God.
Pretty good.
They'd be smashed right now.
Correct,
That whole roof fell into their bed.
Oh my God.
Their two beds is the whole roof is on their beds.
Okay.
They'd be
Okay.
smashed right now by roof.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's right.
And then this top out.
Yeah. Anything. Yeah. You know that we live over there. That she came also. Yes.
My
Yeah.
mom used to stay there. So if you all see me looking, I just have good memories.
She's a good neighbor too. She lives down
Yes. Yes.
My
I-
daughter
Welcome
stay in
us
the
to
place
our
where you all
house.
stay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
used to
know
be walking
that.
the black dog sometimes.
Exactly.
Look, that's my bedroom. That's my bedroom.
Oh
right
my
there. Look.
God.
Look, I got no roof, bro. I got no ceiling.
No roof.
Look at that. Look, it's raining. It's raining in my bedroom right now.
Oh my God.
It's raining in my bedroom. That's my bed. That's my bed right
I'm
there.
gonna look
God,
on
man.
What
Thanks
day is it?
God.
Thank
Oh my
God
God,
for
thank
Father's
y'all.
Day.
Father's
Thank
Day.
God we're
Y'all
all
won't forget
celebrating.
Yeah.
Father's Day.
Thank God we're all
Yes,
celebrating
yes.
at her brother's house.
Yes. Everything.
We-
You
'cause
got
I
dinner
work-
and everything.
I work at 5 in the morning.
Have you took your dinner or anything?
No, everything's in there. Man, fuck that.
Thank y'all
Fuck
so
that.
Did you
I'm
eat
not even
anything,
hungry.
sir?
No, we ate good. We ate good at her brother's.
Okay.
Burgers, hot dogs, all that. We ate
That's
good.
God. That's
Thank
God.
you.
We ate
No,
good.
being a neighbor, you know, I'm all the time is right here. We are here. We are a good neighbor. We are good neighbor. We are good neighbor. No worry. No worry. You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
You're welcome.
But thank God for Father's Day. If not, I work at 5 in the morning. We'd be all asleep right now.
Yes,
like, hey,
I
bedtime,
know.
let's go to bed. And then, bam. Oh, shit, what's
Oh
that?
man.
can't believe we can't go home. It's orange juice.
Yeah.
Our kitchen's leaking. Everything's leaking. Our kitchen's sparkling. It's like
It smells like gas up there.
Yeah.
We
I
can't go
know.
It's
home.
probably gonna blow up.
Yes, I
We can't go
know.
home. My car
It
is
smells like gas up there.
broken. Glass is broken. I can't even drive my car.
Her car
Oh my
looks
God.
she just ran into a
Can't
fucking
even drive my
semi-truck.
car. Let's get out of here. I'm
Everything's sold,
depressed.
man.
Let's leave.
No,
I'm
don't.
done with
Happy
this.
Father's Day.
Please. Thanks God.
Happy
That's no damage
I
for
am.
the. Yeah.
I
Still your family is with you.
And I have insurance.
Yes.
Positive.
And insurance.
And I have insurance.
Yes, I told you.
Renters
Kids.
and car.
Yeah, I told.
Positive vibes.
But yeah, I told your kids also we build again these
Right,
things. But
right.
thanks God we
Well,
are safe.
I'll never live here. I'll get a new apartment.
Yeah.
Been wanting one.
Yes.
Just imagine a tornado
Yes.
taking one of my kids. Like,
Oh yes. Thanks God.
Thank God
Yeah.
for insurance.
Yep.
our kids.
Yep.
And we got our kids.
Yeah. You have your
I got you.
kids. Yes. No doubt.
We got each other and we got insurance.
Yes. Yes.
Renters and car. Full
Yes.
coverage.
Right.
This is ridiculous. I can't believe it. We had such a great day and then we come home to this shit.
Yep.
Everything happens for a reason.
Yes. Sir.
Oh my God, what? We're like, we get
out
home,
of the day, yeah, you
like
did.
literally we get home and we see this tree fall.
Such a
We're like,
beautiful
we're
day.
like, let's
Bam.
go to the laundry room. And we were in there and then we come out.
No, and I seen that shit for me. I told
Yeah.
everybody, hey, downstairs, right now. Don't even fucking ask me why. Downstairs, let's go.
Exactly. You're right. You're right.
Like the rain was raining.
Look at our room. This is our room.
Yeah.
This is our room. The entire roof is in there.
And it's mostly on our
The
kids.
entire
It's
room.
mostly on our kids, man.
The entire room.
Okay, man. That's too much. बहुत नुकसान हो गया. It's too much. Oh my God. दरख्त का हाल देखें.
Hey, you wanted these?
I took a picture. Right, I know the whole tree is gone. Look, there's water all in the kitchen. Leaking in there. Water, there's water. Like, forget about it. There's no.
Yeah.